Chapter 5. Make Credit Plans. All successful time managers are good planners. They make lists and sublists to accomplish each major and minor objective. There is a rule that every minute spent in planning saves 10 minutes in execution. The time you take to think on paper about something you need to accomplish before you begin work will give you a return of personal energy of 1000%. 10 minutes saved from every minute that you invest in planning your work in the first place. Once you are clear about your goal, you then make a list of everything that you can think of that you will have to do to achieve that goal. Keep adding new items to the list as you think of them until your list is complete. Organize your list in two ways, by sequence and by priority. First, in organizing by sequence, you create a list of activities in chronological order from the first step to the final step before completion of the goal as or a project. As Henry Ford says, the biggest goal can be achieved if you simply break it down into enough small parts. Second, you set priorities on these items, accepting that 20% of the items on your list will account for 80% of the value and importance of all the things that you do. Setting priorities allows you to stay focused on your key tasks and activities without getting distracted. Review your plans regularly, especially when you experience frustration or resistance of any kind. Action without planning is the cause of every failure. Resist the temptation to take action. Planning for goal achievement. Perhaps the most important word related to success of any kind is clarity. Successful people are very clear about who they are and what they want in every area of their lives. Make written plans for yourself and your business and follow those plans carefully until they are successful.